G'day, my name's Randell and welcome to Heaps Good Traffic. Now today I'm going to show you how to use Heaps Good Traffic to get the most out of your account. So first of all, you're going to have to create yourself an account and then confirm your email and log in, and then you'll be greeted with this page once you get through the one-time offer and also the surf start page. The surf start page will also give you some credits if you do stick around until the timer ends at 0, so you get a bonus credit there, so it's worth it. So once you're inside of your back office, you'll be able to see your account here, which will show you your 7-day report, your account overview, your account information, and this is where you can also buy account upgrades. You can purchase credits. You can also buy credits and account upgrades with points if you earn enough of them. You can also purchase with your commissions, so if you earn money on the site by clicking ads or referring others and they make purchases, then you can also convert that cash into credits or account upgrades and at a very big discounted price, like 60% discount. 50 to 60% discount depending on the month. You can also withdraw that commission as well, so you can earn money. So that's your account overview. The graphs will look something like this. I haven't surfed much this week, but this is what I've surfed or you have surfed, and then it'll also show how many hits that you've been sent to your sites over the days there. You can start surfing by clicking on the start surf button, and that will open a new tab, and then your surf bar will start. This is the ads, member ads, and this is your rank in the surf, and the current site, and session credits, and your credit balance, and your user number. You can open the site or report it, or you can also click the my account to be taken back to your account page. So that's surfing pretty much. You click surf, it starts, and off it goes. It does its thing. And that's the beauty of Heaps Good Traffic. It's an auto traffic exchange. You'll notice here yesterday's top surfers. So if you make it into the top 10, you can have your top surfer ad, which you can come up to advertising here and see my top surfer ad. And if again, you'll win a bonus credit ratio for the following day, plus some credits on the day, and you also get your top surfer ad displayed up here and in the surf bar as well. Once you've joined and surfed the minimum amount of sites and activated your account, you'll be able to come and access the advertising tab with my websites, my banners, my text ads, and my pay-to-click ads, all that sort of stuff. And it's also where you can allocate credits. So if you clicked on my websites, you could come here and then you could add your websites, and they will then rotate in the traffic exchange. Now we have contests as well. We have lots of contests. Every month there'll be a contest here. We do them for points, credit, cash. This month we've got one of each or a few of each, so that's something to take advantage of as well. Also we have the Downline Builder. Now the Downline Builder is, as it basically says, you sign up to Heaps Good Traffic, you join these sites here, all of these sites, you add your ID affiliate number into there, you hit submit, and there you go. And then now once you've joined these and filled them all in, you refer a new member using the promo tools here and here, up in the affiliate tools, promotional splash pages and promotional banners. And when people join the site using your referral link, they come to the Downline Builder, and when they sign up, they join up underneath your referral link, and then they come back to the Downline Builder again and add their referral link. Now when they refer someone, that person joins up under them. However, if they decide not to join all these, your referral link stays in that place. So you can exponentially build your downline if other people don't decide to join a particular program for whatever reason. So that's a really good thing for you guys. You can see your direct referrals. This account doesn't have many, but you can see there. You also get promotional splash pages. This is where you also will get your co-op URL. Now the co-op basically shows all members' websites, so free, premium members both. As soon as you submitted a site into rotation, pardon me, as soon as you submit a site into rotation, it will automatically be rotated in the co-op as well. So if you take this URL and share it in the traffic exchanges you currently surf at, you will earn credits here on Heaps Good Traffic, and the sites that you have rotating in the surf will also be rotated in the co-op, and you can have much more reach from your advertising. So co-op's really important, and it's really handy here at Heaps Good Traffic, so take advantage of that. However, sometimes you might not want to show other people's sites for whatever reason, or you're not a fan of the whole co-op idea, so regardless your site's going to be shown in there anyway, so it doesn't matter. So if you wanted to, you could just use the splash pages. These 3 splash pages here will give you credits, a similar amount of credits to showing the co-op, but they only display a page. This is a bad example, that's one I was actually working on. Here's a sign up page for Heaps Good Traffic. This one's also got the form in it. I've already joined up, so it's not showing me the confirm button. There is actually this one as well, and yeah, this shows a HTT member ad down the bottom. Yeah, pretty much just a standard splash page, guys. Now these ones are the Downline Builder. So like I was saying before, these are your Downline Builder splash pages. These will recommend, so they'll show us, and then like the Heaps Good Traffic. Then down below it will say, I recommend these exchanges. We've also got ones that do crypto ads as well, these awesome faucets and crypto earning sites. What else is this one? Is banner exchanges, so it'll show like the popular banner exchanges. So yeah, those ones however don't earn you credits for showing them, because they have all the bonus other Downline Builder stuff built in. Now these are just straight Downline Builder pages, so they'll have a link just here. This register your account will come back to Heaps Good Traffic, and you will earn the affiliate like for that, you will earn the referral for that. Plus these will also be based on your downline, so if you filled in the Downline Builder correctly, all of these will link to you as well, so when someone joins one of these sites, it'll be your referral. However, these ones don't pay you any credits for displaying them. They do have all of these other methods to gain referrals in other exchanges. So that's your downline pages. There's a bunch of them, all different categories. And the most important thing on this page, I believe, is the coop. This is the one that's going to earn you lots and can be used in really cool ways with sites like Traffic Zipper and Geo Pro and a bunch of sites like that that allow free geo targeting and also 24-hour unique targeting. Sites like Traffic Zipper and Geo Pro together work really well. Traffic Cache Alliance, Rob Cerberus, also known by Cerberus, has really good tutorials on how to set those up. So if you ever get a chance to hit him up on AppSense or something like that, do take the time to have a chat with him about how to set up 24-hour unique co-ops and stuff, and so you're making sure that you are just sending traffic there that's going to count for a hit. It's really quite clever how he's got it all set up, and I'm just a little plug there because it really did help me quite a lot. Anyway, so moving on. So that's probably the most important, I reckon. The coop is very powerful if you use it right. Then you have promotional banners. So you can use these to advertise anywhere. One thing to keep in mind is I've got them set up as HTTP. Some sites won't allow the banner to show. If it's HTTPS, you can change that HT on the image only to, it does say it up here, if required, you can, the images are configured to HTTPS, basically, long and short. So just put an S in there for some sites. Leave this one as HTTP though. The site does work as HTTPS, but it throws the layout out for some reason, and just leave it as HTTP and make this the image HTTPS. And yeah, there's a bunch of banners there that you can use to promote, and I'm always making new ones. There's the pay to click as well. quickly while we're here, I'll just show you what the co-op looks like. So the co-op URL, if we take this URL here and we open it, so this is the HTT coop. So it'll randomly rotate a member's website in this spot here, and this bar is set up to refer new members to you. So this coop here will get you app referrals. And see, I'm glad that happened while I was on video. That is something that's got too many hits, so many hits, got many hits. I don't know, it's one of those sites I forget, and every time it does the redirection, it does that. That's annoying. Anyway, that's another person's site. This link up here that says that's just a plug, and it also refers to you, so if someone clicks that, you get the referral. This ad company up here is Share My Ads. That's our in-house banner exchange. We use that on our rotators and throughout the site. This is also another site we run. It's a banner exchange, a 2-1 banner exchange. It's very powerful. It's doing over 2 million impressions a month at the moment and growing. So get on board with that one as well. And you'll find this throughout our site, rotated, as well as the normal banners that you can purchase and text ads as well. We mix this one in quite a bit, and because it's a very powerful site, so do take advantage of that. If you see that, you can sign up here. Just that little thing will take you to the sign up page. So that's how the co-op works, and what it looks like. Also, you have pay to click. Now, I haven't installed offer walls on HGT yet, on Heaps Good Traffic. I've turned that off. Two of my manual sites, my manual surf sites do have this, however, but I have turned off offer walls on this site. However, we do have pay to click, so you can click these ads and earn cash, credits and points. You just simply click it, a window will pop up, you wait till the timer's finished and you click OK and you're done. You can either join the website that it's showing or check it out. View it is definitely the idea, and this is why you are getting, most of the time, getting paid cash to view these websites, so please make sure that you pay attention to them. Have a look, view what they look like, read some frequently asked questions, check out all of their pages. When the timer stops, you can click that, and that's it, it's done. Then it should refresh this and you'll see what's left to click. And that's pretty much it. The surf is very simple. You just click start and off you go. And the beauty of HTT is that we have this co-op. Now the co-op can be used in auto traffic exchanges, manual traffic exchanges, pay to click, pop-ups, however you want to do it, you can use our co-op. So the more you surf here at HTT and earn auto surf credits, the more times that your site's going to be shown in the coop. So surfing here and showing your coop in other sites, you're just going to earn a bunch of credits and you'll get shown a lot of places. So come and surf with us at HTT. Thank you for making your account. If not, go and create one. And yes, this is how HGT, heapsgoodtraffic.com works. Thank you very much. I'm Randell. It's been great. Have a good day.